I'm going to show you how to make a nice 3-point saddle with the BENDstation Pro. One of the first things we're going to do, we're going to have to do some things just a little bit different, and I'm going to put a mark that's for the center of the 22.5-degree bend. That's approximately halfway from the 45-degree notch to the arrow. So it's about right there. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to use a little bit different multiplier. We're going to use a multiplier of 3. So I'm going to make a 3-inch 3-point saddle. So we'll put our first mark, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So the next mark will be on 9. The next mark will be on 18. We'll take this center mark and we'll mark it all the way around. Now, we're going to bend the first bend first at 22.5 degrees, and we're going to align this mark on that mark, the center of the 22.5 mark that we just put on there. So right there. Now let's apply our no dog. Level that up a little bit. There we go. Now, so I'm going to bend this to about 25 to compensate for spring back. So there's 25. We'll push this through. The second mark will be bent on a 45, so we're going to go to the notch. Again, we'll level the no dog. That's real close. So I'm going to bend this to about 48 to compensate for spring back. The next bend is going to be 22.5 again. So we'll align that on our 22.5 degree mark. Level up the no dog. There it is. To about 25. So there's a 3-inch 3-point saddle. You can see it's good and straight. That's a real nice bend. For more information on Southwire tools and equipment, go to southwiretools.com. Built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.